Weekly update. So happy to report some better interest rates since last week. So the big news though right now is that Fed prosecutors have opened a criminal investigation into the Fed Reserve Chair Jerome Powell over testimony he gave in June regarding renovations to the Fed Reserve buildings. Powell responded in a video saying he believed the investigation was opened because of Trump's anger of the Fed's refusal to cut interest rates as quickly or as much as Trump wanted. So we'll see how that shakes out, but it's kind of interesting. Tomorrow's, in terms of reports this week and what's important, tomorrow's December CPI report is going to be critical to rates, and here is what is expected. So headline inflation is expected to show current year over year at 2.74%, November from 0.2 to 0.3%. Change. Expectation is that year-over-year inflation remains unchanged or declines at 0.1%. Now, core inflation, current year-over-year at 2.63%, November 0.2 to 0.3%, and the expectation that year-over-year inflation remains unchanged or declines at 0.1%. Also, Realtor.com released some new data showing that inventory levels have been rising. This, along with higher interest rates, are some of the likely causes for slower appreciation. Active listings are up 12% year over year, but they are still down 5.5% from the pre-pandemic levels. And over that time, the population has grown by 12 million people. Most of the inventory growth has been in states like Texas and Florida, which represents 30% of total active listings. Now, reports that are coming out this week, Tuesday, weekly ADP employment report, the CPI, new home sales, 30-year auction, then Wednesday, mortgage applications, PPI, retail sales, existing home sales, Thursday, initial jobless claims, and Friday, industrial production and capacity utilization. Really big week, tons of reports. Hope you have a great week, and we'll see you next one.